Welcome back to Moose's Garage, everyone.
Hey, buddy, everybody.
Buddy or everybody?
Everybody, buddy.
Well, tonight, as you can see, we've cut the hole in the hood for the scoop. We started dressing up the holes we got to close up. I've got to tack these two spots back here on the hood, on the 68 C10. And then we've got to come up with a piece of sheet metal. I want to enclose that brace that I cut. And I've got a couple ideas on how I'm going to do it. So we figured we'd bring you in here real quick while...
You melt away.
Yeah, I got to melt while
weld away.
while I'm on the welder. And just, keep you guys updated on what we're doing. Don't mind the fan running because...
It's hot.
Yes, it's Satan's butthole hot.
Yeah.
And, yeah, I'm not looking forward to putting the welding helmet on, but I guess.
No better time than now.
That's what you say. So I'm going to try to weld up the holes. Donnie's going to make sure I don't catch nothing on fire.
Yeah, I'll be the fire watcher.
Am I looking forward to this? Not really.
Not today, anyway. When we plan on doing this, was going to be a little cooler, we thought.
Must be my light over there?
Yeah, your light's over here.
Okay. I don't know if it's ever going to get cool. Oh, that's what I say too. Oh. You touch that and let me weld you?
Yeah, hold it.
Man, it's a hot. I got to get in there.
Okay.
Scoot this back a little bit. Sorry, guys, you got to watch my backside. Dang it. That one buckled, didn't it?
Oh.
That buckled.
Yep.
Get a grease rag with some water.
Yep, we're going to have to shrink that down.
What do you think?
Looking good.
I think I just got
Yeah, this one,
those two, and that one.
Yeah.
We're just a couple of budget guys
Yeah.
welding up holes. Why they put these scoops on here, I don't know.
Huh. Hey, you're welding pretty good for the first time.
Turn that fan a little bit.
Okay.
For right now. Okay.
Getting your porosity away, huh?
What's that?
You're blowing your porosity from your weld away, huh?
Yep. Now, we gotta stand this up.
Oh, yep. Okay, let me get in there and stand it up.
I think you ought to be able to hold it on the side.
Okay. There's more.
Well,
I don't know why you're eating them, throwing them in the hood, but
I think the squirrels like that truck.
hey, when you come back, stick your head through the hole. Talk to the people.
What's that?
So when you stick your head through the hole, talk to the people.
I am your father, Luke.
Little hot.
Okay. That's all the farther I want to go, because there's a hole right here, and I got to get a piece of metal I'm going to put in there, and then I'll stitch it in. Whew. It's warm.
Yep.
So I've got to look for some metal. But while we're here,
Yeah, hi to the nice people moose in the hole.
yes, hello, nice peoples. I'll let Donnie take a look at that. Holy crap.
Yeah, they keep coming out.
Yeah. Better out than in. Hey, you gonna set it down?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it looks damn good from where I'm standing, watching you.
And I'm not gonna tack. I'll get a piece right here.
Yeah.
We'll make it, and then we'll put it in there, and we're gonna weld that in to enclose that,
That looks
to
good.
stiffen the back of this up again. But
Looks good, though.
yeah, I need to grind on that a little bit more.
Oh, yeah.
That looks better. I like working with metal.
Hey, that looks good.
Just let the tool do the work, guys. You don't have to really reef on it.
No.
Yep.
Battery's dying on my phone.
What?
My battery's dying on my phone. I better put on battery saver. Looks good, man.
Get you guys in here and let you take a look.
Yeah, you can see it. What do you guys think of that?
We're not professionals, but we're dangerous.
Looks good.
Yeah, we figured we'd give you guys a quick update.
Yeah, let you see what we're doing.
Yeah, we'll probably be done here in a little bit because it's like 739 degrees.
Yeah, it's 20 after 9.
Yep, it's 20 after 9, so we wanted to get on here, show you guys what we're doing with the hood. Getting the holes filled, got the hole cut. I'll get some sheet metal tomorrow, and then I'll make my piece, tack it in there, clean it up, and we should be good.
Yeah. It'll look good too.
Yep, and then if you want to make it fancy, you get some of that plastic door trim you can, if you want to go on the edge. So you don't have to worry about it being sharp. Damn, I'm sweating.
Yeah, you are.
But, yeah. Figured we'd show you guys real quick what we're up to. We're working even though it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It's going to be like that another day or two, I think.
Yep. So,
but
remember, guys, build it. Build what you want. Doesn't have to be perfect to be driven. You're paying for it. You got to be happy with it. And drive it while you build it if you can.
Yeah, that's what he's going to do with this thing.
Yep. We're going to get the hood scoop on it. And then take it home and go get the 67 Buick.
Yep. Get started on that. So, like, share, subscribe, and comment, guys. Let us know what you think and share it. Share the heck out of it.
Yep.
We'll appreciate it.
We're just a couple of budget builder guys that we work full-time jobs, and we do this on the side for fun and to build something budget. And
put something cool.
Yep. And it's a DIY.
Yeah. Yep, it sure is.
So
DIY
guys,
with Double D working on it.
stay safe, have fun, enjoy the 4th of July. We'll see you on the next time on Moose's Garage.
See you guys.